What do you do and what can you expect if you're renting an apartment and your landlord sells the building before your lease expires? Well, that's the topic of this video. Hello again, everyone. I'm attorney Robert Flessas. There are three things that you should concern yourself with when your building is sold and a new landlord takes over your building. One, when the sale of the building is completed, did you receive notice of the sale? Second, to whom and how do you pay your rent in the future? And three, if you posted a security deposit, where is it? Well, let's take the first one. When the sale is completed, your former landlord should promptly send you a written notice of the sale. This notice of sale should be coming from your former landlord, not the new landlord. With all of the scams being committed today, you might want to contact your former landlord or their management company to verify this information, especially if the first sale letter is coming from the alleged new owner. The new owner should have the former owner contact you. That would be suspicious if someone you never heard of is telling you that they bought your property. The second issue regards payment of your future rent. Did your former landlord provide you with the name, address, and phone number of the new owner and/or the new owner's management company? That's common for payment information to be provided in the original letter of the sale. If you're in a lease, there should not be any changes to your lease terms. For example, there can't be an increase in your rent if you're still in an existing lease. The new owner can't insert new terms into your existing lease either. New terms need to be mutually approved by both you and the new landlord. The third issue regarding your security deposit is very important. The original letter announcing the sale of the building should address if your security deposit was transferred to the new owner at the time of the sale. If there is no information provided on the whereabouts of your security deposit, then you need to immediately determine who's holding it. Here's the reason why this is important. If the notice of the sale is silent on the transfer of your security deposit, and if you move out at the end of your current lease, your security deposit needs to be returned to you, right? Here's what can happen. When you seek return of your security deposit after you move out, the new owner or the owner's management company could tell you that your security deposit was never transferred to them. Well, then you contact your former landlord. What if you can't find the former landlord? What if your former landlord never returns your call or replies to your written inquiry? That problem could occur even if you go to court requesting return of your security deposit. If the new owner doesn't have it, then your case gets dismissed. You could possibly lose your security deposit. So what you should do is once the building is sold, you'll want a new receipt for your security deposit signed by the new owner or the new owner's management company. That way you have proof of the whereabouts of your security deposit. A letter from the former landlord is okay, but I would take it one step further and obtain a receipt from the new owner just to be sure. Remember, you can enter your questions in the comments section below. I answer comments. You should also know that I'm going to be doing Instagram Live TV where I'll be answering your questions live. Follow me on Instagram using my handle. Then you'll receive notifications when I go live. Well, I hope this video was helpful. I'm attorney Robert Flessas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video or on Instagram.